Hello viewers, how are you? In this tutorial, I'm gonna show to you how to import CSV file in Microsoft Excel. Here you will see a question number 1. Beginning in cell B19, import the CSV file product list from chapter 2 exercise file. Okay, so our task is import a CSV file. This CSV file has chapter 2 exercise files name is. How to import it? In this purpose, navigate it to your ribbon bar data menu and go to get and transform data this group and click form text slash CSV this tool. When click this tool, you can see import dialog box where your file, our file is this folder. I will go to this folder. My folder name is MOS and this folder. Then go to chapter 2 and our import CSV file name is product list. Okay. Now where our product list CSV file? This is our product list CSV file. You can see this file's extension. Now select this file and click import this option. When click import this options, you can see a new dialog box. Now click transform data this options. This file open Power Query Editor this interface. Okay. Now go to this home menu and close and load this icon, this arrow icon. Close and load to this second number option. Okay. When click close and load to this second number option, our requirement is file import this project on this sheet B19 this cell reference. Okay, in this purpose, when you see this import data dialog box, you click existing worksheet and type here equal B19. Okay, now hit OK this button. You will see our CSV file import B19 this cell wise. So dear viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.